key ring holder. So this will hold bits with this shank, 1/4 inch shank, with a quick release. So you just put it in like that and pull it out. You don't even have to actually push it. You just push it right in like that. Then when you want to release it, this will hold up to 40 pounds. So it won't come out, doesn't damage it as well. And it comes right out. Real nice thing to have on you while you're maybe climbing a ladder. I've used this a bunch of times while climbing a ladder. I've also used this on my tool bag. This is always on my tool bag, and I put extra bits on there that I kind of need. So I have like this Torx bit, I have a Phillips head, and I have a long Phillips head. And I had some other ones. I think I dropped them up. You know, my nut driver here. So really nice. Definitely something that's needed now that you have those impact drivers. This is a key ring holder. You can actually customize it as well by just pulling this little lever here, and you can put more or you can put less. I got the 2-pack, so this is just one, but you get 2. This is another one. It basically comes this, you know, like this, and then you have to just basically put it on the ring like that. So they make different colors. I got the orange one. I like things that actually are bright so you can see them, especially when it comes to tools. There they are.